Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. Today we will be looking at the new Smok Nord C 50 watt pod kit featuring a built-in 1800 mAh rechargeable battery, adjustable wattage feature with a 50 watt max power output, integrating a proprietary chipset offering rapid firing speeds, displayed on a large OLED screen, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, paired with a 4.5 ml refillable pod, offering an adjustable airflow control switch, utilizing Smok's RPM2 mesh coil series. Let's get right into it and present the new Nord C pod kit by Smok. And here we have the new Nord C pod kit provided to us as a sample by Smok, the newest addition to the Nord series. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, the device offers a lightweight exterior structure, available in 8 vibrant colorways to choose from. Here we have the pink-purple edition for today's review. The Nord C is the newest addition to the Nord series. Here we have a side-by-side comparison between the Nord C and the Nord 5 Pod Mod kit. Now the former has more of a rounded edge design, while the latter offers a bulkier, clean-cut finish, weighing significantly more than its successor. With a built-in 1800 mAh rechargeable battery, the Nord C delivers a max power output of 50 watts, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, featuring a single intuitive firing button, 0.69-inch OLED display screen with 2 adjustment keys. Here we have an adjustable airflow control side lever on the back side, along with the Nord C text logo running along the spine, and a Type-C USB charge port rested below, paired with the new Nord C pod, offering a snap-off top fill system, housing up to 4.5 ml of e-liquid, backed with an ergonomic mouthpiece, snap-off pod connection, utilizing Smok's RPM2 mesh coil series. To power on the device, press the firing button 5 times, and the main screen will showcase the wattage level, coil resistance, voltage level, battery level, and puff record. Now adjustments will be made in increments of 1, with a max power output of 50 watts, featuring round robin. Press both adjustment keys to lock the wattage function. And lastly, press the firing button 3 times to fully lock the device. The package will include the Nord C battery device with a 4.5 ml refillable pod, utilizing a pre-installed 0.16 ohm RPM2 mesh coil, best recommended at 40 watts, a 0.6 ohm RPM2 DC MTL coil, rated between 12 to 25 watts, a Type-C USB charging cable, and a user manual.